Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to add saving account and Lloyds bank. So guys, what you have to do, log in your account. The first step after logging your account, guys, you see this option as you can see here. Click on this apply from here option, and after that guys, click your details from here. After that guys, click saving account and add your information to add saving account your account. And after that guys, you make sure verify your identity here and add all your information and finance, and then click apply. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and share this video for more content. So guys, the login and the first step, login your account on your mobile or your device web, and then click on add apply, and then I'll click saving to add your information here to add your saving account. This is how you can do, guys. Thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Any question down below in the comment and I will answer your question.